chocolate peanut butter banana bread recipe is one of my favorites. And the bonus about it is that it's gluten-free. And so if you want to have a really decadent dessert sometime, this peanut butter banana bread is very rich in chocolate taste and is delicious. First thing you want to do is mash your bananas. After you mash your bananas, add in your eggs and vanilla and just give that a quick stir. Next is 2 tablespoons of espresso or strong coffee. Maple syrup, and give that a good whisk. After you have mixed all the wet ingredients, go ahead and add the almond flour, cocoa powder, salt, and baking soda and just mix to combine. I like to prepare the loaf pan by greasing it with butter and then putting a parchment paper just in the bottom. And then go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for between 50 and 60 minutes. This chocolate banana bread is perfect warm right out of the oven just as it is. Or if I'm serving it as a dessert after dinner, I like to ice it with a peanut butter frosting. Just combine your icing sugar, vanilla, peanut butter, and blend it until smooth. If it's a little bit too firm, you can add a little bit of milk just to make it a nice spreadable frosting.